Hi, this is Chris with Eclectibles. Got another box break for you today. It is wrestling, TNA wrestling to be exact. This product is the TNA Tenacious, celebrating 10 years of TNA wrestling. As you can see up in the corner, each box was individually numbered. This one is number 1755 out of 1800 boxes. I'm just going to flip this over and it's going to describe what we could possibly find on the inside. So according to this, 7 hits per box, 3 of which are autograph cards. One of the other hits is either going to be a celebrity signature card or a event worn clothing memorabilia card. There's also one short printed card numbered to 1, 10, or 100 and 2 parallel cards numbered to 1, 10, or 30. 20 packs per box, so 7 hits out of the 20 packs, so we should see the hits fall pretty quickly. So we will get this open. And I'm having a little trouble here. So with this particular product, this was back still when a lot of the better talent was with TNA. So you see Hulk Hogan on the front, as well as Kurt Angle and Sting and Jeff Hardy. Let's open this up and see what we have. So there's our checklist card. Lay that to the side and we will begin with the pack opening. So the variation cards usually will have some form of a foil stamp on the front, and once we see that, we will flip it over and see what sort of number we have. Okay, looks like we might have one of our first hits here, and it is a dual autograph of Velvet Sky and Gail Kim. And Gail Kim has the little denotation that says TNA 10. So there's our first autograph hit. And nothing there. Move on. And here we have the before mentioned foil. So this is a foil stamp of Rosita. And that's all that was in that pack. So we'll turn it over to the back. And you see this one's numbered number 19 out of 30. So number 19 out of 30. So that's one additional of the promised hits. There's Hulk Hogan. First of probably a few Hulk Hogans in this set. And the set's made up of several different subsets within the regular set, such as social media, subsets, and like this one, a look back, as well as debut cards. That's Hulk Hogan's daughter Brooke, who was with the company for a short while. Okay, so here we have another foil stamped card. This one is The Immortal Speaks, so it's specific to Hulk Hogan. I'll move through those quickly, and we will turn this over to see that this one is numbered number 9 of 10. So only 10 cards of that were produced. So again, if Hulk Hogan fans, rejoice, a rare card. Wow, Ken Shamrock. It's been a while, Ken. We should be probably about halfway through the box. And we might have another one of our autographed cards coming up right here. And it is Christopher Daniels, who I think has since moved on from TNA. But a Christopher Daniel autograph. Oh, look there. That guy was on Big Brother. Should be getting another one of our promised hits soon. Give us something to talk about. Okay, and looks like one of our autographs here. We'll just go from the back and drop these cards off, and we'll come back around to the front. See that our autograph is of Garrett Bischoff, who most likely was with the company because of his father, but I better not say that out loud because Garrett might come looking for me. Okay. Kind of recap there, we've got, I believe, our 3 promised autographs and 2 of our short printed cards. And it looks like we might have something in the middle here, so again we'll go from the back. 2 Jeff Jarrett cards and a Gunner card. And we have a Bobby Roode and a James Storm. Beer Money Inc. They used to be. It's a relic card, number 76 out of 100. So very cool. So having found that, that probably means we won't be getting one of the celebrity cut autographs, but that's okay. We're down to our final few packs here. And here we have our next short printed card. This is Rob Terry. It's got gold on it, so it is going to be numbered number 7 out of 10. I believe the silver is probably numbered out of 30 and the gold out of 10. And here we have our last and final pack. And it contains Ric Flair and that's what we have here. So just based on my flipping through here, probably have a base set of cards. Check it against the checklist. But you see there we have our 3 short printed cards, our 3 autographs, and our 1 relic. And that counts for our 7 promised hits. So they certainly worked out for us there. So once again, my name is Chris. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks.